Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn on.
Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, a new vlog. Welcome back. It is a new vlog. Welcome back to those who have been tuning in, even though it seems to me and it seems to go over and over again, because it's basically a work update vlog, and it seems to me I like it, even though I feel like I've been repetitive. So welcome back. Just booked the Uber, just booked the Uber, and I just want to start off the vlog because it's Saturday and we need to start off the vlog. Yeah. Anyway, I'll catch you back after this. Alright, yeah. It was kind of stressful in a sense where we had busy period. Like people just annoyed the hell out of me. Like I just never show it much on camera because they watch the vlog. Yeah, like everybody has stressed me out. Everybody are annoying me. So that is that. This week me just pray say God just guide me, cover me. We have 2 days off, so that is good. The money I got lesser, but so I go. I'm tired, like my body tired, like I literally can't wait till September because September the pool closed. We just can't wait. We cannot wait, honestly. I can't wait for sure. I can't wait. Oh boy. But we need to save some more money because with my brother coming, I'm gonna spend some money, and we still can start for the car, but no, I wanna just go and take it Uber, yeah, man, because say for instance I get pay $200 per day. Out of that I spend $34. So nothing wrong with that. You get me I say? It's just the inconvenience of getting from point A to point B and like going shopping and those stuff. But it's fine. It's fine.
She said she don't wanna leave, ain't even playing for keeps. Oh yeah. Can't nobody tell me what I can do. Got a plenty aces that life hands you. Feeling like my body understands you. Maybe
Last week I said that I shy away from doing the buffet. Well, guess who decided to be a big girl? Me. Yes. So I'm here doing the buffet. And it's not so bad at all. So, and then the thing is, they make it seem like, I think it seems like I did the buffet because I didn't want to do the coffee because I changed the coffee machine, and then it's a lot of work now because instead they have this big old thing, now they have this small thing, so you have to do a whole heap of brews just to get the amount of coffees you need. So that's one thing. Anyway. Yeah, I'm just gonna continue the buffet.
Can't nobody tell me what I can do. Got a plenty aces that life hands you. Feeling like my body understands you. Maybe we could take this all the way. Spend another day chilling, making layups. If you're feeling down, well, there's a way up. All about that bread I got.
Good morning, guys. Sunday. I don't feel like if like them repetitive. Like it seems like every day I just like get up, go work, go work, and it just feels repetitive to me. It's so dark it is. This is so early. I have to wake up in the morning. And it's the reason why when it comes on to messages and all these stuff, I don't have no energy for do all of them something. So all who want message me outside of the group, boy, that take a long while for me reply. But the Uber, they're 15 minutes away. They could leave me catch it early because them they far. If it gets it today is Sunday Uber the normal run. So you have to put them for early if you're gonna late. I forget to charge my phone last night. Not even forget, because my plug it in is just like the charger never plug in. Like, who does that? So I'm gonna just bring the charger at work and go and charge my phone. In the tent, it's still, you know, it's Samsung, so it have good enough charge. It have about 40 something, probably no. So that is that. It's literally raining. It's raining, and I asked the assistant manager if we can go. And she called the restaurant manager and said no. So I am here, going over in the rain, even though my nose there. The pool closed because I just hear thunder, and if there's thunder then there's lightning, and if there's lightning, pool closed. But nevertheless, I'm going over there. Since then tell me if I go over there. Oh, see there? Nobody in the pool. Who wants to swim in the rain? Like, not me. Even though my people crazy. Love them, you know. Love them, but they do some crazy stuff where we now do. Like, they going to the submarine. Not one black person. Not one. But, you know what? Let's go. Clock in. Sit down and wait. Alright, so guys, thunder. We just get thunder warning. Clear out the pool, and lightning warning, so you know what that means. It start pouring already, so we're just here waiting to see if we're gonna go home or we're gonna stay. But in the meantime, we feel like we're gonna play some basketball. Yeah, we're gonna play some basketball because the good thing we can do them something there. So I'm just there, chill and wait and let you know what happens after.
Friends, who was the best friend? Can you let me know what it mean to be a best friend? That mean on the next man. Here we go, better run one time for the best friends. Best friends, one time for the best. Best friends, think we better off. She think we better off as besties. I can tell her it's a different when we texting. Cause I'm a nice dude, they try to test me. Had to slide up by that zone for the bestie. I can be your friend, do you wanna do that? Talk about me to your friends, I'm like, well, yo, do that. Be the best you ever had, you already know that. I'ma treat you like a queen, looking like, oh, that. That's just my bestie. Nothing more, nothing less. I don't need that extra stress, that's just my bestie. Then the day she just like, check please. Whoa. She be out here with the gang and we chillin'. I might catch her eye, we started laughing cause we trippin', yeah. She get a text, she said I'm sorry, gotta go. I ain't trippin' cause I already know. She said we better off as best friends. Who was the best friend?
And that's a wrap. I won the basketball and Jake lost.
She's
Jake.
terrible.
You see how tall Jake? You're on my vlog, by the way. Is that fine? Is that fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, wait. Jake is 7 foot. You can't even see him. Let's go. I did get to go home early, which I'm home early. It's like to 2. Because we're in a fall and everybody's there. You have 4 servers, 2 bartenders, and you have a runner. You don't need everybody. Like from I go there, even though we just got it like for less than an hour, there is nobody at the bar, nobody at the pool. Like the pool literally closed. Cause as you know, when you're in fall, the pool closed. The good thing I made some money in the morning, and that is good. Anyway, a little update. Remember I said that my brother is here and I'm planning to go elsewhere. I think I may go Florida. I'm not gonna tell you exactly where we're gonna go because it's gonna be nice and it's gonna be a surprise and it's gonna be a vlog. Yeah, that is that. So when we finalize everything, I'll let you know if we really I go Florida or I go somewhere else, but that is the plan. And we're gonna need like probably $2,000 for the excursions, so you know. Yeah. Good morning, guys. So today is Monday and I'm out here waiting for my Uber. Last night rainfall so hard, and it felt so good because I could hear it on the window, and You know that feeling when you're in a fall and you just hear it a beat on the window or on the rooftop? But I am not able to hear it on the rooftop because there's 2 apartments above me. So obviously I'm not going to hear that. But I could hear it on the window. So that is good. Tomorrow is my day off. Wednesday is my day off. And yesterday I came home early. You see, after I come home, I knock right out. Like I put on this movie and the movie start watch me. Like me knock the hell out. And then I woke up back when my roommate come in because so the release of Nines wake me up. Then I went back to bed like 12 o'clock and I feel renewed today. I feel alright. You get what I say? So I am here just waiting on the Uber and it seems like I ate this a come. So let me get up. And I ate. Anyway, I went to my bed at 12 o'clock and I wake up and I feel renewed. So glad that today is the last day I'm going to get up 6 a.m. And then next week is where I'm planning my vacation with my brother. So the only reason why we'll get up after we go on excursion. So that is good. Good morning, guys. So today is supposed to be Tuesday, my day off. Or so I thought. Because after a whole week, I am like, yes, I have 2 days off, I have 2 days off, I have 2 days off. No go so. Nothing no go so. Because my roommate are going to tell me yesterday, last night, she have the audacity to tell me, say, you not work tomorrow? I said, no, I'm not work tomorrow. Only if you check it out, I am working today. But me, see, when I make sure they will just see I'm blind. I said, anyway, the only reason why I go is because I'm going to take a week. I'm not going to take 4 days, so I realize, I say, you know what, just take 1 week and done. I just say, go 1 week with my brother. So I'm just going to take that. Yeah, so it's now Tuesday. I am dressed for work. The good thing we never have to wake up early, so that is good. Yeah, we just going to skill the day. Tomorrow my day off and then wake up early, then half the Thursday, so I guess that's fine. This week I went on the worst week in vlogging. It's just like not no motivation, and it's not because nothing's happening. It's just like the same thing over and over. And like, why me? It's like an update. No, I update. I'm a daily life. It keep me consistent. That is why I continuously doing it. But me feel like me need to put a little bit more vibes in the thing. Anyway, quick update. Remember I told you in the last vlog that my brother is here and I'm planning to go out with him? No. It was supposed to be next week, but it's going to be the following week because I didn't get the confirmation from my manager. Because of that, me end up book the ticket late, and when I went to book the ticket, it doubled the price. So me just push it back to the other week to save some money. Everything is now booked. I booked the flight, the excursion, we see, and I'm going to Orlando. So just guess where I'm going. Guess where I'm going in Orlando. There's a lot of places to go in Orlando. We're gonna stay 1 week in Florida. So let's say that's a vacation in a sense. Yeah, 1 week from the 25th to the 1st of August. So I'm excited for that, and the good thing is gonna fall into my pay week, so I can save up the money there. Cause the amount of money I just spend, but guess what? I have one brother, not really one brother, but one brother from my mother's side, and I haven't seen him for 15 years. So no money in it too much. You get me? I want to have a good time. I want to create memories. Me even pay for the photo things. Like when you go places and they ask you if you want to pay for the photo things, yeah, we pay for that because we just want to create that memory. So I am excited for that. Can't wait. Like, I wish it was next week, but everything happened for a reason and in good timing. So yeah. Anyway, and the girl I couldn't come see me I do because she asked me I do, so me catch you back. And let me just add, it's not that I am scared to vlog, I am fine to vlog. You're gonna see how the demeanor change when me out in public, because I'm here at work and these people like them see me every day and say the wrong thing, or they feel like them here chat and all them something there. So I try not to make a lot of people know that I do vlog, even though many people know, right? Because you already have some people that start talk, because one thing with that, so everybody know everything. So the more of a low profile you can keep it, because people are not easy to tell. If you shit, it's don't in it, because everybody gonna know. So let's try to keep a low profile, because I've been venting on here sometimes, but yeah. Anyway, tomorrow is my official day off now, and then I have half day on Thursday, so I feel like I'm gonna dedicate Thursday to go live and so forth and help you guys, because my roommate will be home tomorrow, so inconvenient anyone. So I'm thinking about that too. That is why I was so glad for the 2 days. But so I go, yeah, such is life. And if I never one thing, I want to come at work today, because I want to 1 week to say, I'm going home by myself. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, my day off. It's my day off, and we just said to roommate, say, come like say me never yet stop work, because even on my day off, I always find stuff to do, like around the house. I'm just like clean out the fridge, because I'm not like a time fridge dirty, kitchen dirty, and this dirty. That is just me. My roommate a cook, and just there, so. But not really vlog there, because everybody in the there. Wednesday, everybody in the there. Just like a shower and just relax for the rest of the day. Wipe out the kitchen later on, and my roommate done cook. So we just check in. Today is not so much of a vlogging day. All I can say is that stay tuned for what to come from me and my brother, and it's going to happen. You're going to see it in the first week in August, because we're going from the 25th to the 1st, and you'll see that after that. You get me? So you're gonna see my packing and all those stuff, and me nothing about if you buy clothes on Shein. And me I look back in my closet and I say, but I don't need no more clothes. I just gotta bring what me have. You get me? So I gotta bring what me have, because I don't have no money for waste, and no business if nobody wants to see me then the same clothes over and over again. My clothes, me buy it. In series why make that over and over again. Yeah. So I'll check it back later on if you decide for work. Yeah. Alright guys, so can you imagine that 2 days ago me decided to me go book the ticket for me and my brother to go to Orlando. Alright? And when we bought the ticket, no, I wasn't. I know. I just look on the ticket and I was gonna book it, but then I said me not confirm with one of the manager yet, so me not sure if me can book it, because me not want to book it and then you say me can't work, or even if me book it, it seems like me I go against them and then get in trouble. So me never bother book it. What I should have done was hold the ticket, but me never hold it. Alright. Anyway, day before yesterday, me confirm everything and me hold the ticket and me start book it. When I start booking it, I realized that there was some issue as it relates to a card, because it was saying that I'm in Jamaica but it's a US card, so it cancelled the payment. But anyhow, it hold the ticket. Alright? Fine. And this ticket is for next, not next week, but the other week, right? So may have to extend it another week because the ticket them cheaper the week there rather than next week, because the ticket them for next week is like double that. Me not do that. You get me I say? Nothing wrong, me can't wait him have up until the 8th for leave. So me have time. Anyway, me put the ticket and it cancel. So me call, I talk to this lady and I take all of my information, all of my card information, and she says she has sorted out. When she sorted out my brother one, right? And when it reached onto my one, the call dropped, like the call just dropped promptly. So and me I said, ah Jesus, I'll never scam me get scam. Right, but me I say about an American airline me call. So you think a scam, you get me I say. So me call back the number me get through. Me get to a man and I tell him, so I depend on the call and I get him the locator number and so forth. And it locates it and it say the ticket number that I remember that one and my one still on hold. So I say, alright, let me book it because I don't want to lose the price. Right? No, tell me why. Me go wake up this morning and go on American airline and only if you see 2 ticket book for me brother. And a 2 different flight because one a straight flight and the next one a connecting flight. 2 of them on the same price, nothing wrong. If all goes well, we can cancel the one that is connected and stay with the one with the straight flight because nothing wrong with that. You understand? No. When me I check for my flight, there's nothing there for me. So it's either me have to pay more, but me I try to contact them because the money come out of my account. The 2 money come out of my account and me not have it. Me cannot pay for your flight and then it no in my thing. When I get the email, when I get the confirmation or anything. So that is that. And now me I call them. Me depend on the phone for 1 hour wait for them to answer them. Now I get them, so me hang up. Call again, now I get them, me hang up. So me just put the request for them to call me back within 1 hour. So let's see if them call me back. Just got back home from work and I kind of pissed, I kind of pissed from last night, and here's why. So today is Thursday, payday, not so bad, but that's not the reason. So last night, the manager for the deep end released the schedule. No, before me get into what I'm saying, last week, which was 4th of July week, the second day work, the hours was until 10 in the pool, and I'm sure you would have heard that, right? And each day I would get up 5 o'clock to reach at work 6 o'clock, which is in the mail room, and then leave from the mail room and go straight to the pool and work up until 8, 9, whatever hours that day is. Now on the second, they said until 10. So in my head, I say, yo, that is impossible for me to be working from 6 a.m. straight to 10 p.m. That is not even legal, right? Now, on the day, especially in the sun, when you're in the sun, like when I'm in Jamaica, I don't go out the house because once I go to the house, it me feel like my day done for, because the sun suck out every energy you have, and all I want to do is sleep when I get home. So can you imagine now, every day in the sun burnt right out. You can see the tan on me because I am burnt out, right? Me working 6 to 9 on that week on an average, right? For 6 days. No matter how me love money, if me dead today, they're going to replace me tomorrow, right? And me don't love money so much, right? Me basically just want to work and save, because it's not like me have a lot of responsibilities. My only responsibilities is me And if my sister them or mother wants something, me can get it for them. You understand? The only bills me pay and the rent me pay right now. So me can save money. You get me saying? So though the money is not an issue. No. On that particular day, which is the second, we work up until 10. I went to the manager and I said, hey, listen, this is not boy work, Not literally, but I said this is not easy because you cannot expect me to get up 6 a.m. and then work all until 10. I said I don't want to work until 10 tonight and I want to leave. And I said not only that, it's too much. I said right now the mail room don't need me because when I go to the mail room, I basically work less than what I would work if I just work at the pool. Because only on the weekend I see it beneficial, but during the week it don't make no sense. I can make more money in the pool than what I would do in the mail room. All I do, I work extra hours and work overtime, right? And I'm tired. Not only that, when you reach onto like Friday and the vlog we go out and so forth, it's drained. You don't even understand. When you reach the Friday, I'm gonna get to edit on my day off or put the last clip in or something. When you reach Saturday, I don't want nobody talk to me because basically get 3 hours of sleep and it's stressing and it draining. You get me? So make mention it to her. So she said, all right, if you can do it out to this week, because I was just expecting that she would have talked to the other manager and say, all right, you know what, let's keep her in the deep end because we actually don't need me in the middle room. So now the other schedule come out and I realize I have 2 days off. So I say, all right, fine, cool, me can work with that. At least me have 2 days off from the middle room, 2 days off from the deep end, and it back to back. So I say, yes, we can work with that. Now the other day I realize I 2 separate days off. The only day off I'm gonna really get is Wednesday because in the morning night now Thursday with a day at the middle room, but then me off in the deep end. But Tuesday, we did off in the morning, but we working at the deep end. You get me? So I basically just had 1 day off. Right? Fine. Make it work because I say, I'm going on vacation and I don't want to fuss. Now, schedule go come out yesterday. When the schedule come out, I realize me only on 2 days for the week. Tell me now. Nothing can go so? Tell me now. When you check it out now, we basically just have work, we pay rent, and we book Uber. I know, so I'm not having it, I'm not doing it. And if I say it continue, I'm just going to go back to HR. HR is going to see my face once more, even though I don't want HR to see me. And I'm going to talk to me now, and I'm going to say, yo, we need to start this thing up because in a beneficial in a middle room, if I are even, then fine. I even know a new set of people then to deal with and whatever. But working in the mail room alone, now go cut it. Now cut it. So I'm kind of annoyed, even though I don't really care much about the money. But I'm not coming here for just work, for pay rent and Uber fare. Might as well I need to work. You get me? I say, might as well I need to work. Now if I can save another $1,000, yes, I'm fine with that. You understand? Which since I've recently I've been saving more. But if it will go to that point, then obviously I don't get to save none because I rent and Uber fare and that now go work. So might as well either just look at transfer quick and go on about my business, or extension, go on about my business, or them sort out. But them a sort out. Now if they want to put me on Birdwood, me okay with that. You understand? But working 6 days a week from 6 a.m. to 8 o'clock, now I'm going to cut it. Working in the mail room alone, now I'm going to cut it. You get me? I say? If they might give me in the mail room and in the pool and give me 2 days off them, then I am fine with that. I am okay with that. So that out. Just can't bother, just can't wait. Can't wait until the season done. The place is not a bad place, it's just that they don't know if we run the place properly. Like, I swear. I don't know. If you're start my business, Boy. Hey guys, it's Friday, the last day of the vlog. Yes, Friday. And if you don't realize, it is midday. Yes, because this morning did kind of crazy. Me come with the intention say I was gonna just start out to vlog at work, but in the bedroom one person didn't come. We just get into the side work and I had to do more than one side work. And yeah, luckily it was not a buffet, so we could have handled ourselves. And as we start get customers until the very end, so I couldn't get to take out the camera. Anyway, next week I promise you it's gonna be better. Like, I feel like this week is so boring and it's so repetitive. Like, we could have done better than this, and I'm going to do better, and it will get better because the other week it's gonna be even better, because that week will be my vacation. It's gonna be different, no work, yeah, no work, and yeah, and then it's gonna lead into the other week. So you know, we're gonna always have things doing. So I'm gonna do like different sections. I'm telling already. I'm not even talk about that. Yeah, I'm telling already. Anyway, without further ado, if you're just for another video, I know subscribe, like we are way upon. You know, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, tell another friend to come over here, so and join the family here. Join the family, subscribe, turn on the post notification, and stay tuned. Bye.